All right, welcome. Today we are diving into the world of punctuation to meet a very special family, the Dash Dynasty. Yep, you heard me. We're going to meet the three siblings, the short, the medium, and the long. So let's get right into it and figure out what makes each of them tick. So at first glance, they all kind of look the same, right? And honestly, depending on the font you're using, telling them apart by size can be a real headache. That's why the secret isn't about their length. The real key, the thing that's going to make you a pro, is understanding what each dash does in a sentence. Their jobs are totally different. First up, let's meet the smallest member of the family, the super important hyphen. Its whole deal? It's the word connector. Okay, so the hyphen is the little guy. Its main job is to basically act like glue. It sticks words together to create a single idea, or it helps break up numbers so they're easier to read. You can think of it like the little plastic piece that connects two Lego blocks. Let's see this little guy in action. For a well-known singer, it connects well and known to make one single descriptor. For numbers, you see it in 25. And it's also the one that joins a prefix to a word, like in reenter. Pretty simple, you know? It just sticks things together. All right, time for a quick pop quiz. Take a look at these two sentences. Which one do you think is correct? Is it A or is it B? Go on, take a second. And the answer is B. You got it. So why is that? Because well-known is what we call a compound adjective, and it comes right before the noun author. It's acting as a single unit to describe the author, so we need our trusty hyphen to glue it together. Great job! Okay, moving on to the middle sibling of the dynasty, the N dash. This one is the range builder. So the N dash, it's a little bit longer than a hyphen. Its main purpose is to be a bridge, connecting 2 points in a range. Whenever you see it, you should basically think of the word to or through. It's all about showing a span of something. So check this out. You'd read pages 50 to 60, or you're talking about the years from 2010 to 2020. And it can also show a connection between two separate but equal things, like in the India-Pakistan match. It's showing that relationship. Okay, your turn again. What dash do you think goes in this blank? We're showing a range of time here. Which member of the Dash Dynasty is going to step up and do the job? Yep, you nailed it. It's the N dash. The class runs from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. The N dash is the perfect tool for showing that span of time nice and clean. And now, for the final, most dramatic, and my personal favorite member of the family, get ready for the M dash, also known as the scene stealer. The M dash is the longest of the three, and it is an absolute powerhouse. You pull this one out when you want to add some real drama, show a sudden break in your train of thought, or just give something some serious emphasis. It's like a lightning bolt in the middle of your sentence. And just look at how versatile it is. In that first sentence, it sets off some extra info, almost like an aside. In the second, it shows a sharp, sudden stop. And in the third, bam, it delivers that final word with a punch. The M dash is all about creating an effect. All right, final quiz for this section. Which of these sentences really packs a punch? Are you feeling the comma in A or the dramatic dash in B? Which one has more impact? Oh yeah, it's got to be B. Now, a comma isn't exactly wrong, but the M dash, it just gives that sentence so much more power. It makes the word success feel like a big reveal. That right there is the power of the scene stealer. Okay, you've officially met the entire Dash Dynasty. So now it's time to put your knowledge to the test with an activity I like to call Dash Decisions. Let's see if you can pick the right dash for the job. Here we go, your first 4 challenges. For numbers 1 and 2, you need to add the right dash to fix the sentence. And for 3 and 4, you're just filling in the blank. Go ahead and pause here if you need a moment to think it over. And here's the second half. For the first one, just choose the correct sentence, A or B. Then, for the last 2, all you have to do is tell me which dash is being used. This is where it all comes together. Ready to see the answers? Let's break it down and see how you did. So, part-time worker, chocolate-covered donut, and mother-in-law all need hyphens to connect those words. For the ranges, teacher-student ratio, March 1 to 10, and pages 30 to 40 all use the N dash. And finally, that sudden break in thought, I was thinking, that's our dramatic M dash. So how'd you do? Fantastic work. You made it through the big activity. Now let's just do a super quick recap to lock in everything we've learned about the Dacian dynasty. And there they are, the whole family side by side. You've got the hyphen, our short little word connector. Then there's the N dash, our medium-sized range builder. And finally, the M dash, the long and dramatic scene stealer. Each one has a very clear, very distinct job. And if you remember only one thing from today, let it be this, seriously. If you're ever in doubt, don't just stare at the screen and try to guess the length. Instead, ask yourself, what is this dash doing here? Is it connecting? Is it showing a range? Or is it adding drama? The purpose will give you the answer every single time. And that is a wrap on the Dash Dynasty. If you found this useful, hey, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, share this with someone who might need it, and go check out our other punctuation explainers over at Nestlingua. Thanks for watching.